Hello and welcome. These are the ingredients for my mutton pepper varuval. Half a kilo mutton with few bones that I marinated with 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 2 medium-sized onions that I'm going to chop up. Four dried red chillies. I'm going to snip them into pieces with my scissors. Three stalks of curry leaves that I'm also going to cut up. Let's start off with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan that is on medium heat. You can of course use any other vegetable oil if you prefer. The onions go in. Saute the onions for a bit. Then add the dried red chillies together with the cut curry leaves. You can increase or reduce the number of red dried chillies according to your spice level. Now stir fry them together for 2 minutes, still on a medium flame. After 2 minutes, turn the flame to low and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons of meat curry powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder. Now let's stir fry these ingredients until the raw smell of the masalas disappear. The raw smell of the masalas has disappeared, so we now add in the mutton. Stir the mutton pieces so that it combines well with the rest of the ingredients. I'm now going to increase the flame to medium and add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon of ketchup manis. This is a dark soy sauce that has a caramel flavor. There you can see the bottle here. It's called ketchup manis. The sweetness of this sauce will balance the flavors of this peppery dish. Next is to cover the pan and let the mutton cook in its own juices. Remove the lid after 15 minutes and stir the mutton. The mutton must be stirred at regular intervals to prevent it from getting stuck to the bottom of the pan. Therefore, use a non-stick pan to minimize the possibility of this happening. Now cover the mutton and cook it until it's done. It's been 30 minutes. I checked the mutton when you were not looking and it is only 3/4 done. So I'm adding half a cup of hot water to the mutton to help it cook. Half a teaspoon of garam masala powder goes in now, and a half teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin powder. Reduce the heat to low and stir to combine. The gravy is fast evaporating, so I'm adding another 1/4 cup of water. Now cover the mutton and cook it on a low flame until it is done. The mutton has been cooking for the past 10 minutes on a low flame. I checked the mutton and it is now done. It therefore took 40 minutes to cook the mutton. I'm turning the flame off now. Now let the mutton stand for about 5 minutes to cool down a bit before we add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It's gone 5 minutes, so let's add the 1 tablespoon of lemon juice now and stir to combine. I'm using 1 tablespoon of black pepper because mine is freshly ground. If you are using store-bought, you may have to increase it to perhaps 1.5 tablespoons. Add pepper to your taste, please. I'm adding some freshly cut onions to the dish to give it an added texture, but this is entirely optional. I'm adding some fresh curry leaves also. Dish is dark in color because of the pepper and the kicap manis. That's it. The mutton pepper varuval is done. The mutton pepper varuval. Please try this at home and enjoy. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and click on the notification bell to get updates about the recipes that I upload. Until I see you again with another recipe, thank you for watching and stay safe. Bye.